front of everybody as the new president of the Senate Spouse Foundation, Inc. As I stand here in front of all of you, all these wonderful men and women, it is an honor, and I just feel very grateful that I have your full support. Like I said in our very first meeting, that I am honored to challenge of working together and finding ways to uplift people in the communities. The legacies left behind by the wonderful ladies and the testimonies of all of the service to the nation, the treasured stories, encourages me to continue what they have started, to make a difference and to inspire not just the members of the SSFI, but most importantly, to important groups and individuals who have the power to do something in improving the lives of the people around us. With the support, of course with your support, fellow spouses, SSFI support staff, the Senate community, and of course, the Senate President, Cheese, I am bravely taking on the duties. It is inspiring to see what we can all accomplish with the kind of changes we can all make together. Maraming salamat. And of course, before I go, and before we all go, we would like to congratulate our Vice President, Madam Catherine Tell, for appointment as Special Envoy to the United Arab Emirates with the Trade and Investment. Fly high, Madam. Congratulations.
And very hard work to be certified sa akin. Hindi rin ako happy kumuha. So, I'm willing to
This early, clear na ba kung ano yung mga projects na ipapatupad?
Yes, very clear. I've had many meetings already. So, madami din akong nakaalaman na yung mga naumis ko nila since 1987. So, marami din sa nagawa. So, ito-continue na namin. And then, maybe for me, I'll probably do a little bit of a modern approach. I'll try to add a few more other sustainability like programs that we can help out. So yes, full time.
And then you're willing to sacrifice some of your...
Well, it depends. Kung hindi darating ang mga bills, hindi na ako magtrabaho. Pero yung mga bills, so kailangan ko pang magtrabaho. But it's all about balancing and distributing your time. Kaya na natin. Kakayanin na lang.
Pero hiningi mo ba advice ni Senate President Escudero?
Definitely, hindi ko yung advice siya. Eh, medyo siya pagdating sa mga detalye. So, I guess in a sense, it's also good kasi kahit ibang mundo natin, I was very trained well by Cheese kasi he's very, every detail he pays attention to. So, but it's nice kasi he also gave me leeway sa mga gusto kong gawin. And he's very supportive, so nakakatawa.
Nagkausap ba kayo ng dating head ng Senate Spouses na si Aubrey?
We were able to exchange texts. She's very graceful and very supportive. And you know, I really do believe in continuation of the projects that they have created and made. So we will continue that. Hopefully with Madam Aubrey by our side. But she's very, very nice and very supportive as well.